been trending on social media since a week, I guess, and I saw it trending on Instagram, and I was shocked as everyone else. And I thought, maybe if what I have seen through mainstream cinema, if I could suggest you some movies and web series which talk about the topic of consent, it will be very helpful for people to understand what consent really means. So let's get started, and I hope you like this recommendation. So the first movie is, I think, a breakthrough movie, and I think almost everyone have seen it. It's a Taapsee Pannu and Amitabh Bachchan starrer movie, that is Pink, and it beautifully tells you about what really consent means.
We should save our boys, not our girls. Because if we save our boys, then our girls will be safe.
Even if you are drunk, even if you go to a party, even if with your consent you enter a room with a boy, that does not mean you have the consent of having sex with them. So that is what is beautifully shown in this courtroom drama, and it's a must watch. Second movie recommendation that I want to give you is Section 375. It stars Akshay Khanna and Richa Chadha as the main leads, and it is a beautiful courtroom drama about how a director misuses his power on an upcoming actress.
This is not about man versus woman. This is about right versus wrong. Don't make it a gender issue.
And what you feel is how even women can misuse the laws which are made to protect them. So in the ending, you do feel sympathy for the victim, but you also know somewhere that she did something wrong. So I think it is so important to even discuss about how even women are misusing the rights which are provided to them for their safety. But it's a very sad situation, and we need to have equal rights. That means that when we think about women's rights, we should also make laws where, if they misuse those powers, they should not be let free. So the third movie recommendation which I want to give you is Thappad. It is a beautiful, beautiful movie about how even after marriage you do not have to give up on your identity. It has blown away everyone's mind. It was such a small topic, but I think it was so necessary to make a movie on this. So
उसने मुझे मारा पहली बार नहीं मार सकता.
And it's not about consent entirely, but I think what happens after marriage is a very common story in India about women, how they give up everything and choose to be a housewife and still are not respected enough. The next movie which I want to recommend you is Guilty. It is available on Netflix. It has the main role of Kiara Advani, but the story revolves around this girl who gets raped by Kiara Advani's boyfriend.
Do hashtag no means no, hashtag black heart.
This is full hashtag boring man. You know, इन लोग drugs भी करते हैं.
But get this guys, पता है उसका handle क्या है? @tan man dhan.
Is set up in college, and this is so important because I think at college level the college students need to be educated about what really consent means, and that's why this movie is on my list. And the last recommendation is the web series. This stars Ahana Kamra and Rajiv Khandelwal, and they are two matured people. They wanted to date each other. One is Rajiv Khandelwal is a doctor, and still I think he has some fantasies about sleeping with different girls.
इतना बड़ा इल्जाम लगा रही हो किसी पे और तुम्हें ठीक से याद भी नहीं है.
आपकी बॉडी में ना जोर जबरदस्ती की कोई निशान नहीं है.
What the main purpose of this suggestion is that to break the myth that such kind of things only happen in rural and uneducated people. And I hope you like this recommendation, and comment down below which movies have you seen, and are there any other movies which have been made related to consent.